Hello, this is Scott Hudgens with Dodd RV of the Peninsula, located in Yorktown on Route 17, in between Fort Eustis Boulevard and Denby Boulevard. Today we're looking at a 2011 Forest River GreyWolf 25 RB. No slide out. We do have the power tongue jack on the front. That's a nice option with the light. All four corner stabilizer jacks. Nice storage up front. You do have an electric awning. Large side windows. Dual axle. Outside speakers. You do have a connection for our outside TV. The TV that comes with this unit is a 19-inch flat screen. You can move outside and hook right to your cable. This has the upgraded plank wood linoleum flooring. As you can see, with no slide out, you still have tons of room in here. Up front, you've got a queen walk-around bed with overhead cabinetry and wardrobe space. Large storage underneath the bed. You have your large jackknife sofa, it makes a sleeping area. Nice countertop, nice pull-out spray head on your kitchen sink. Oven and range. Microwave. You do have ducted AC throughout. There's your flat screen TV that would move outside. Built-in speakers. CD player. AM FM stereo. You do have a booth dinette. This is in your crimson interior decor. Your plankwood linoleum flooring throughout. Your nice rear bathroom. Everything enclosed. Tub shower with your skylight. Refrigerator and freezer. You're right at 4,415 pounds in this brand new 2011 Forest River GreyWolf 25 RB. Again, my name is Scott Hudgens. Please give me a call at Yorktown location, Dodd RV, 757-833-3633. Thank you. Look forward to hearing from you.